This must be one of my shortest ever maths videos. These are my two confusing maths habits which I always seem to have to explain to a lot of students, and I wish we didn't do it. What does 5x mean? It means 5 times x. Why don't we just write 5 times x all the time? And then when you get to a higher level of maths, then start saving time. Anyway, what about the next one? What does this mean? Oh, well, it means the square root of 9. So, what? I wish we always wrote the 2 from the very start, because then I think there's a reminder that it's square root. And it also means that when you start doing more advanced things like cube root of 8, I think it makes more sense. Let's not get lazy here. Anyway, and then when you get to when you get to higher levels, I'm also not keen on this thing where you go sine squared x means open bracket sine x close bracket squared. Again, let's not write that. Let's just write it like this. And with my sort of more advanced students that are a bit beginnery because they're just learning stuff, I often initially write like this and then only later introduce the shorthand. Okay, anyway, that was just a bit of a rant really. Thanks for watching.